Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the addition of 5-digit numbers. Practice 2. Add. We have to add 5-digit numbers. Okay. Understood? This is about addition, 5-digit addition. Next, add the following numbers. So, we have to write it in a notebook in a vertical manner. Then we have to add. This is for homework. Okay. Next, third one. Kabir and his cousins attended the Jaipur Literature Festival and bought books. Kabir bought books worth 12,348 rupees and his cousins bought books worth 23,679 rupees. How much did they spend on books altogether? Okay. So, Kabir bought books worth 12,348 and his cousins bought books worth 23,679. So what's the price for how much they spent? $36,000. $36,027 rupees. Okay. Next, Kabir and his cousins visited the Jaipur Zoo. The zoo recorded 23,754 visitors in the month of January and 18,976 visitors in the month of February. How many visitors did the zoo have in total in January and February? So, the visitor in the month of January is 23,754 and the visitors in the month of February is 18,976. We have to total for this. Okay. So, total visitors in the month of January and February are 42,754 30. Okay. Next, Kabir's uncle decided to donate some money to an orphanage. He first donated 28,456 rupees to cover the cost of school supplies for the children. Seeing the needs of the orphanage, he decided to donate an additional 35,789 rupees for their meals and health care. How much did Kapil's uncle donate in the total to the orphanage? So, he first donated 28,456 rupees. Later, he donated 35,789. 65,000 rupees, 64,245. Okay. Next, Kabir's uncle decided to buy some gifts for his friends in the USA. He bought a traditional Rajasthani handcrafts worth 23,845 rupees and colorful Jaipur quilts worth 32,750 rupees. How much did Kabir's uncle spend on the gift items? So, for Rajasthan handcraft, it's 23,845. To Jaipur quilts, it's 32,750. You have to add this. So total rupees 56,595. Understood? So tomorrow we will see subtraction of 4-digit number. Okay. Thank you.